where markets witnessed wild swings but finally ended with gains after seeing a sharp spike in the last hour of trade. Surabhi Upadhyay is now joining us with a wrap of today's trading action. Surabhi, the bulls are waking up late but managing to win the day.
Quite a roller coaster ride on the market today, the last trading day of the week. The good news for the bulls is that they managed to see the Nifty close towards the higher edge of this 120-point band that we saw. That's the swing from the lows and the highs that we had in trade today. Metal stocks were quite interesting, specifically in the afternoon. Once the news of the Chinese CRR cut came in, there was a big surge on almost all of them, and banks found lots of takers as well. Let me illustrate this by going through the stock list of the day. If you talk about the key gainers on the Nifty, then Bharti Infratel, what a move on this stock. The company has come out with an investor presentation and the market seems to be buying everything that they're claiming with respect to the merger with Indus Towers. 6% up today, the biggest gainer on the Nifty. Tata Motors, after strong numbers from the US, was also a key gainer, and Yes Bank was among the top 5 Nifty stocks that was moving higher. Let me talk about metals because this was very interesting, both ferrous and non-ferrous. Whether you're looking at Vedanta or JSW Steel, JSPL, Tata Steel, Hindalco, didn't matter, but a big surge coming through once the Chinese announcement was in. Financials really all the way. So whether it's SBI or ICICI Bank, HDFC, Axis, there was no complaint. Batting for the bulls, this was a very strong pillar for the market today. What was a disappointment? IT stocks. There seems to be some nervousness ahead of the result season that's crept in, and also the fact that the rupee has been strengthening. So whether it was Infosys, TCS, or even something like Tech Mahindra, we saw weakness in this part of the market. Even beyond the index, banks had a great day today. So there was a big rally. PNB, Union Bank, Allahabad, DCB, Karnataka. So both on the PSU side and the private sector side, just a lot of flair in the entire banking universe today. Other mid-cap winners included stocks like Inox Leisure, PVR, Delta Corp and Dish TV. So maybe it was a bit of a weekend entertainment trade that was really playing out. On the losing side, however, you do have some big mid-caps that have seen pressure today. Worth keeping this in mind. Page Industries, Jubilant Food, Motherson. And again, I'm talking about IT, so that weakness was also in mid-cap IT names like Tata Elxsi and Mindtree. The week really doesn't tell us too much. This market is absolutely range-bound. Let's see if the range breaks next week.